This is an absolute no. Yeah, no. What's up, gang? So I wanted to do a little something a little new. I wanted to go through my wash day actually talking to y'all because I just want to know what that's like. But it's gonna be a really short wash day. I missed my usual Sunday fun day wash day. I do like to wash my hair on Sundays, but I was out of town and I'm just now finding time to do it. It is Wednesday to do something to my head because this ponytail is starting to look a little... Let me just take this out and then I'm gonna let y'all know what we doing today because I'm also doing something else a little new too. But real quick, if you do want to know how I do my ponytails, I do have a video on my channel. I think I do like a middle part, but once you get a middle part, like it's pretty easy to do whatever part you want to do. But yeah, if you were wondering how I do my ponytails, because I do them myself and it is pretty easy, and you can head over to that video if you have any questions about it. It is like one of my first videos, so it's kind of older. If y'all want a more updated, it's still what I do, ain't nothing new, but I'm always down for recommendation videos. My camera was directly in the sun and it was not allowing me to record because it was overheating, so I didn't get video of me washing my hair. But let me quickly tell you what I did. So I used this Aussie Miracle One shampoo, and then the new thing that I am trying today is just going in with my leave-in right after shampooing. And terrible idea, but we're gonna get into that. Last, I used my Mielle Coil Custard. I've already applied my leave-in. Sorry I didn't get it on camera, but I applied that honey leave-in, and I can already tell you that I like using a conditioner or a deep conditioner, something in between, because I didn't know where I should detangle. It's kind of hard to detangle with a leave-in conditioner. There are leave-in conditioners, but with this specific one, I think was hard to detangle. So my hair is still kind of not detangled. Hopefully I can do that while taking down each section and putting my custard on. Hopefully this still turns out right, y'all. And plus I'm rushing a little bit, so that's a factor too. When you're rushing, you can definitely tell. But yeah, I got stuff to do, y'all. And my hair, it feels, yeah, I probably should have waited until tonight to do my hair. Really, that's really how I'm feeling. And I just took it out of a ponytail, so like that's really when I need to detangle, when it's in a protective style. So yeah, I'm gonna just keep going. We're gonna see how this turns out. Let's see. Usually my brush, by this time my brush is guiding through my hair. So one, I think it's the type of leave-in conditioner I used, and two, if I would have just grabbed another conditioner to give myself a second to I'm supposed to be at work, y'all, and hopefully my products don't let me down, because the technique was not there today. The patience was not here today. So that's why you gotta have, you know, some reliable products to back you up. But this is an absolute no. My hair is so tangled, y'all. I can't even like section it off, and it looks like I'm being so aggressive with my hair, and I am, and I'm not, because that's where you start to get unnecessary breakage. And I won't be doing this again. If it's hard for you to just section off your hair like this without hearing it tear, like I can literally hear it tearing, I recommend, because what I should have done was deep condition, or not even deep condition, gotten a regular conditioner, not a leave-in, and let it sit on my hair for at least 5 minutes. That would have made the biggest difference in the world, because that's usually what I do. I either do that or deep condition, and deep conditioning is gonna like help soften my hair so I can detangle it. But once I'm out of the shower and it starts to dry, that's when the tangles start to come, especially if you didn't thoroughly detangle in the shower. I'm hot, I'm frustrated, I'm over here on the phone making calls, trying to do my job. It's just too much going on, but I'm getting through it. That's all I can say. That's all I can say. But yeah, no, I will not be doing this again. One thing that is helping is kind of spraying it with water and then trying to detangle it from the ends to the root. But it should not be this hard. It definitely should not. And this was the wrong choice of leave-in conditioner. Like, I'm thinking I should have used the Not Today leave-in, because that is a detangler. Like, it actually says on the bottle helps with detangling. So that would have been a lot more helpful than what this honey leave-in is doing. You know, you live and you learn. I don't really have a choice now but to get through it. Probably be as gentle as I can, but like the more frustrated I get, the more I'm just like, okay, I'm ready to be done. So next week, what am I doing? I'm conditioning, deep conditioning, all of the above. And I can only imagine the amount of hair you're losing if you are doing your hair like this every week, and how damaging that can be for your hair. Also really like kind of traumatizing for your scalp because it hurts. For real, I'm gonna work through this and come right back. It looks good, but like this definitely could have went so much easier. One thing I am glad I have are these satin scrunchies, because if I would have had those little butterfly clips, I already know my hair would have been getting tangled all in them. I'm gonna just come back to y'all the next day when everything is a little bit better. So this was a couple of days later, and as you can see, my hair looks good. It actually looks really, really great. A big part of that is I take care of my hair on a regular basis, and me doing this one time is not really going to affect my hair. But if I were to detangle my hair so aggressively every week, then that is when it is going to become an issue. So I hope you took something away from this video, because I know I did, and I will see y'all next time. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe.